If you need to capture a screenshot in PowerPoint 2019, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods so you can quickly add screenshots into your presentation without wasting time. We'll use the built-in screenshot tool first, and then I'll show you a fast keyboard shortcut method as an alternative. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and make sure to subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint 2019 and make sure you have the presentation ready where you want the screenshot to appear. Once PowerPoint is open, look along the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding images, shapes, objects, and more. After you click Insert, look for the Screenshot option. Depending on your screen size, it may appear directly in the ribbon or inside the Images section. When you click Screenshot, PowerPoint will show you a list of available windows that are currently open on your computer. This is the easiest way to capture a full window quickly. If you want to insert an entire open window, simply choose one from the available windows list, and PowerPoint will automatically place that screenshot into your slide. This is great when you want to add a browser page, a document, or another program window without manually cropping anything. If you only want part of the screen, choose screen clipping instead. This option lets you capture a specific area of your screen. After you click screen clipping, your screen will dim and your mouse pointer will change so you can drag and select the exact area you want. Click and hold, then drag across the section you want to capture. Once you release the mouse button, PowerPoint will insert that clipped screenshot directly into your slide. This is especially useful if you only want to show one part of a web page, a chart, an app window, or a small section of text. It gives you more control and keeps your slide clean and focused. After the screenshot is inserted, you can resize it, move it, and format it just like any other image in PowerPoint. Now, let's look at the keyboard method. This is the faster alternative if you want to capture your screen first and then paste it into PowerPoint. On your keyboard, press Print Screen to capture the full screen. If you only want the active window, press Alt plus Print Screen instead. That will copy just the window you are currently using. After taking the screenshot, go back to PowerPoint, click on the slide where you want it to appear, and press Ctrl plus V to paste it in. PowerPoint will insert the screenshot immediately. This method is really handy if you want to capture something quickly from another app, website, or document and then add it into your presentation afterward. So to recap, if you want the easiest built-in option, use Insert, then Screenshot, then choose either Available Windows or Screen Clipping. If you want a quick keyboard shortcut, use Print Screen or Alt plus Print Screen, then paste the image into PowerPoint with Ctrl plus V. Both methods work great, and the one you choose depends on how precise you want the capture to be. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips, tutorials, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.